about it before the oppressive heat.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Glenn. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Colusa County in central California, southwestern Butte County in northern California, southeastern Glenn County in central California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Willows, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Willows, Glen, Bloom, Butte City, and Codora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California: Butte, Colusa, and Glenn.
Stand by as we alert other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County and for Hood County until 9:45. The severe thunderstorm is located 13 miles west of Granbury, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm warning contains a tag of destructive thunderstorm winds, especially for Lipan and Horseshoe Bend. This storm may contain 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. It is showing a strong indication of a bow echo, which also indicates very gusty straight-line winds. Flying debris can be dangerous to those caught without shelter, and mobile homes can be heavily damaged or even destroyed. You can expect considerable damage from the wind. Again, in portions of Parker and Hood County, especially around Lipan, Horseshoe Bend, and the storm moves to the northeast at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Dallas and Navarro counties stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for Kaufman County, northwestern Henderson County, central Ellis County, southeastern Dallas County, and Navarro County until 12:30. A cluster of severe thunderstorms located near Palmer or near Ennis moving east at 35 miles per hour, and additional storms were seen tracking through southeastern Dallas County. Some of these storms may have wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. You could expect considerable tree damage and also damage to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings and sheds and things like that. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Kaufman County, Henderson County, Ellis County, southeastern Dallas County, and Navarro County until 12:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
With 48 states.
Don't miss out on this.
agency warns that the air inside